Okay, so this is the start of the 450X rebuild, and this step is going to be binding my receiver, the AR7200BX, with my Spectrum DX6i. I have cleared every single model in the DX6i and have all 10 models are now clean and reset to factory, and I'm going to now bind. I have the AR7200BX here hooked up to the ESC, and I've got my battery. It's fully charged, ready to go for the process. And the way we're going to do this is we're going to first we're going to plug the battery. Actually, we're going to put the bind plug into the binding receptacle, which is the first slot here. We're just gonna plug that right in there like that. Okay, and it's now in there, ready to go. And then we're going to actually plug the battery into the ESC. We're going to make sure that our transmitter is turned off. All sticks are at neutral, throttle's all the way down, all the switches are off, and trims are all at center. So we're just going to bind up real quick. And the way we're going to do that is plug the battery in, and then we're going to hold our trainer button up on the back of the DX6i right back here. We're going to hold that up and turn the transmitter on at the same time, at which time the AR7200BX will receive the signal and they will bind together. And the AR7200BX will actually go through its initialization process. I hold the bind button all the way down until that process is complete. You probably don't need to do so. I couldn't tell you for sure, but that's just the way I do it. So let's do that real quick. Let's plug our battery in. And the AR7200BX is now blinking. We are now going to hold the trainer button down and turn the power on and let it do its thing. The AR7200BX is now initializing. The bind screen is on the DS6i, and we are good to go. I'm going to let go of the trainer button. I'm now going to unplug the battery first from the ESC, and then I'm going to remove the bind plug, and then I'm going to turn off my transmitter. And I'm now going to double check that I've done this correctly. I'm going to turn on the transmitter and plug the battery back in now with the bind plug out, and it should initialize. And we are good to go. So I will now unplug the battery and turn off the transmitter. And binding is complete.